Today I'm going to show you how you can add this vacation notice to your Shopify store. I'm Toby. I'm running an own Shopify store on selling Pokemon cards, but it doesn't matter which niche you are in. It is applicable for all, I think. And yeah, so let's directly get into it. In the best case, it looks after we implemented it like this. So we have like a screen if you visit the page for the first time with a vacation notice, and then it just tells your customer when you be back and when your orders will be shipped. So in this case, this was for Christmas, for example, in my case. And I used this because I was like 2 weeks in vacation, but I wanted to sell cards. And yeah, so I added the vacation notice. Okay, this is specific for the Dawn template, but you can add this also on the template which you use. I think it's very similar. You always have a header and you can always add an announcement bar. And this is where we first start. Let's remove this for a second. So the first thing we want to do is like an announcement bar. You can add another announcement and just do like this, and then it tells vacation from like this date to this date. All orders received during this period will be shipped on the date where you come back. And you can just add an announcement and you can write it then on this part. And so you just type in the text here in this field, and it's very easy, doable, and yeah, do not require any coding at all. Now, for the banner, which you just saw before, you can just add a snippet. It's called custom liquid. And so you just click on add section and custom liquid, and then you will see it's another custom liquid. I already did this, and so we just click on it, and I paste you the code in the description. You can just copy paste it, and you can just then edit the dates within here. So let's activate this again, so then you can see it again. And so where we have then here the Christmas vacation until, and here is the date. So you can just edit this part and write your date, and maybe not Christmas vacation because it's a normal vacation, or maybe you like away for a few days, and then you just put the dates here, and you can also change the text by yourself. And this is the only part where you need to change anything, all else will be working by design. And so just paste this code and the liquid code, and so you directly can then start with your vacation notice. Let's see it in production. I go to my shop here, and then you can see it directly pop up. So every user will see the message, and then you can just click on OK. And if you do this, if you reload the page, you will not see this again. So if I reload it, you do not see the message again. And this is for 24 hours. And if the customer comes back maybe the next day, a bit later, then he will see the message again. So you can define also this time frame if you want to do it longer. You can do this on this part as well. So you just go then to this section where I have here 1 day, and then you can just define your hours you want to use. So if you want to have it like only for 1 hour, and then he will see the message again if he comes back later, you can set it to 1 hour. You can set a very high number so that the customer only see it once and never again. And yeah, so I would recommend using both, like the header and also like the pop-up message, because I got like from one customer a question why I did not ship already, and I had only in the beginning the announcement bar, and so I added now also like the vacation notice with the liquid code. I know it's for everyone very quickly identifiable that the cards will be shipped later, or whichever product you will sell. So I hope this helped you out.